Alright guys, so hopping right into the video, this is what my eyebrows currently look like. They are definitely quarantine eyebrows, sis, because they just really have no shape right now. So I am gonna fix that, and the first thing I'm gonna do is just brush my eyebrow up with my finger. Then I'm gonna take this honey wax and I'm just going to go right underneath my brow. And I always do my eyebrows, so I know the shape that I like, so I'm just following the natural shape of my brow and lining it with that honey wax. And then once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna take a little piece of cloth that I cut off. This is a roll of cloth that I got from Sally Beauty, and I'm just gonna place that on there, push it down, hold my eyebrow back, and then rip in the opposite direction, and this is what came off. So it's really simple. I do still have a little bit of wax at the front, and I just got rid of that now. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other eyebrow. Yeah, so at this point I'm like, oh my gosh, did I do too much? Like, this is what I get for trying to look in the viewfinder instead of a mirror when doing my brow. And I honestly was gonna stop recording the video, but I figured, you know what, I'm gonna tint my brows and hopefully that will fix it. So I did do this first eyebrow off camera, and all I did was I went in and lined the bottom of my brow, then started to fill it in and line the top of my brow, and then once I'm done with that, I come to the front and just lightly shade it in. So at this point I'm like, girl, this brow is looking real thin, but I'm gonna go ahead and just disguise that with some brow tint. Well, it's not brow tint, it's actually beard dye, which I'm gonna show you after this. But I'm just gonna go ahead and tint my brows, and of course I'm gonna have to widen this one out. So I'm not only gonna be tinting the hairs on this side, I'm gonna actually be also tinting a little bit of my skin, which is fine because it gets on your skin anyway. So I'm just gonna do that, and once I'm done filling it in, I think I just kind of lollygagged around the house for like 30 minutes. And then once that was up, and once they were, you know, as dark as they could possibly get, I just took a wet paper towel or tissue or something and wiped it off. And then once I got all the product off, I would just wipe it with a dry towel to make sure nothing else was coming off, and then you guys will see the results. So I'm gonna quit talking and let you guys keep on watching. And another thing I just want to point out is you literally only need like one dot of each of these. You do not need a lot at all. And then you just mix those two together. One is the actual color and the other is a developer. And to apply this to my brows, I just used an angled brush, and I literally just put that product on the back of the brush packet, and I could just wipe it right off after. So it's super convenient. But here I am wiping it off so you guys can see the final results. So I actually ended up being really happy with the results. And of course, as time goes on, they will fade little by little and just look more and more natural. They look shiny right now, but it's really not. So these are my results, and I think I saved my brow. It looks pretty good to me, so I'm happy with it, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next one.